What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you for being with us, and I hope you are enjoying your weekend. And today it was very rainy day, but suddenly it became hot and humid. So today we are going to review a recently released Z5 Bengali movie, Tiki Taka. Just get the little synopsis of this one, and before anything else, I will say that the music is at least good, and you will have a glimpse of Arjit there, and cinematography is a little bit okay, and especially showing Kolkata and the sights and sounds and the beauty of the city. Perfect to see it. That's much appreciated. And the other thing is, during this time when you already know in the news about the American Professor Greg, this movie is coming at the very wrong time, and I hope you have gone through that story as well. So the synopsis is something like this: from Senegal, a guy comes and he delivers something to the leader of the gang there, and then he said that I should expect money, but they refused to give him. And he said that I really need this money for the surgery of my mother, and you should really help me. But being a foreigner, it gives me a, a little bit idea like the movie of Danish Said, right? There is a French guy, but here is an African guy that comes there, and so now what happens? He meets the guy, a taxi driver Raju there. So Raju trying to console him and help him. Okay, I will try to make up this situation so that you will get some money for your mother's surgery. So he becomes the savior at that time, trying to be good to Imona. So the most of the punchlines comes from Raju, the taxi driver, playing a very vital role to keep the story intact. And especially the good thing is his body language and everything looks like a taxi driver. And the another, because since the guy is from Senegal, and definitely we already know that there are some catch lines that they have said it to create the humor, but I think we are getting over with this kind of stuff right now. And there comes Bonileta, the reporter, who is trying to get a scoop of a good news so that she can survive her job. So this Raju taxi driver trying to play his cards so that the situation can come up like this guy will get the money. So he make up a story like he is a soccer player, a very legendary also from Africa, and he's going to play a match in our leagues. And now this reporter Bonilita gets this news and trying to make up like viral news so that it will get to more audience and save her job. But during this all 1 hour, the first hour, you will feel little bored because the story is dragged to that level, because suddenly you'll try to, okay, what will happen next and how long it will go on. And overall it is good to watch one time, but just to create the humor for the society. But I believe that okay, it is their good try, but overall they should bring up some new content, and it's good that at least we have watched it, and I hope you will really like it. Just to appreciate, at least they have experimented something new. That's all, and I believe overall I think the girl's performance is okay, because her role comes at the very like end of the story. It is not like she started from the beginning, okay, because she looks like she was in a cameo role. And the taxi driver Raju, it is overall trying to grab the whole situation and controlling everything. But I think this will get more better if the storyline should be totally different. And I hope you really like it and appreciate it. And if there is something very unique and good to watch Bengali movies, kindly subscribe and comment below which one should I really watch it, because it's best to know other cultures and their cinemas and their stories. And some of the good movies they have produced it, I know it. I really wish I should have known more to watch further. So thank you for being with us, and I hope you will like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. Have a great weekend and a great weekdays ahead. Bye bye, take care of yourself.